Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
If you do your nails at home like me, you definitely need a good dehydrator, and this one from Model1s is my favorite. This is so great for putting on before you do your nails. It just preps the space so easily, and it makes it so that your nail polish sticks longer. This is great. It's 15 milliliters. It's acid free. It's great for your nails for when you're doing your gel. It's a great way to prep and start with a good base so that your nails last for a long time. It works as like a manicure bonder, which is just like super, super helpful. And I really like the size of this. The brush is very easy to use. I find that even just one dip can be good for your whole hand. And then I definitely see a difference when I use this versus when I don't use this. It's kind of a crucial step that I recommend to anybody who's doing their nails at home or maybe just starting out. This is a really, really great step. And this one from Model1s is awesome. And I've been using it for probably a few years and I love it.
I love this product, and that's my point of view.